I'm so disappointed.
On the peck wrench and pipe, hey Justin, it's a Sullivan.
So disappointed.
On the peck wrench and pipe, we're discussing hunting prices and how we can make that money. So we was thinking about, look at that little mini bike on that trailer.
Yep. Sure
I was like, Phil. He was like, yeah. And I was like, you know what we should do? And he was like, what? And I was like, we need to get into business for ourselves. We'll hire us 2 little deadbeat stoners. We'll pay them $8 an hour. Work for us, provide a truck. They'll go do the jobs for us, and we will pay them a little bit of nothing, and we're gonna make all the money. Sounds like a good idea. What do you think, Phil?
Yeah, Bob.
Yeah, Bob. So, now we're off to Landmark. We just fixed this lady's shower heads. We put 2 new shower heads on, and they was $10 a piece. We charged the lady $15 a piece. And then Bob charged a $100 service call to go 3 miles across town. We've been at work for 52 minutes, and I'm gonna say 40 minutes of that was standing in the parking lot at Johnson's waiting on the shower heads. Now, we've went 30 seconds up the road, right? 30 seconds.
About 30 more seconds.
To government apartments, where we are going to do what, Phil? What are we gonna do?
Hang out.
Hang out and fix stuff. Saving the world, one plumbing job at a time. Right?
Hang out.
It's the hangout.
We just
Grind
you
it.
can't drive this.
The second gear's going out.
Non-drive. It is not
The second
going
gear
out.
synchronizer is
going
no,
out.
it's not. It's the second
Your
gear.
ankle is
It's
done
the
went
second
out.
gear synchronizer.
His ankle went out.
All right. Look at this fucking clicker out here.
Wow.
Wonder what he's thinking.
Do we believe in wearing our pajamas outside today? Yes, we do.
Wonder what, you know what is it going through his mind?
I bet he's catching the water that's coming out of his tailpipe right there. What do you think?
Where's the work
Drinking
order?
that shit
Where's the
for
work
good.
order?
No, it's not.
900, 906 commode.
And that's 200.
Okay. So we're just gonna park.
Yeah, just somewhere.
Right. Her.
See, people, he can't drive. Look. There he goes on top of the
On the
fucking
sidewalk. On the sidewalk.
Get off the sidewalk.
First gear.
Get off the sidewalk. Big Perm knows what that means. Get off the sidewalk.
Ah, there it is.
That was Glenn.
Oh. Are you okay? Okay.
Poor phone.
There's $400 right there in the back of the truck. Where's it at? This one's it. It's $400 right there. I don't know. This one works great. Yeah, it does. I'm gonna do it anyway. Come on. Why are you not coming? Yes, sir. Alrighty, and here's our problem.